juice. Yeah, hello everybody. Today Mr. C invited me to go on air instead of him with his friends at Living Dayton. And we're gonna have some fun because science is about fun and working out your brain so it gets bigger. Yeah, I know it's only 11:30 in the morning, but I'm so hungry. I could go for a schnitzel right now. Schnitzel on a stick. It's my favorite food. Yeah, schnitzel from Germany is the best. Lecker. Yeah, long ago I came to America with my friend Mr. C when we were very little. And it's so different. Everybody here thinks I talk funny, and I don't understand why. It's just who I am. But yeah, the weather in Ohio is crazy. It's like one time sunny, one time rainy, then we have snow, then we have blazing hot. I don't understand. In Germany, it's just beautiful. You get to eat a schnitzel on a stick in the restaurant and sit outside. But here, there's no sitting outside. Look, it's raining. It's crazy. In Germany, on the Autobahn, you get to go fast. That's how I pump some muscle fast. Fast and furious. Have you seen that television show? Wow, it's good. Yeah, Mr. C does not know that I took the Hovercraft. He's still working on it, perfecting it. Last weekend at his show, he had a little kitty ride on it. I was very surprised. But I think he'll be okay with it. We'll have to find out. Yeah, not worried about it. The kitty, Julia or Zachary, they'll be okay. Yeah, we're at Living Dayton now. We made it. Here's the studio. Oh, das ist wunderbar.
We're going for it.
Was ist los, Kinder?
Okay, so what do I call you?
Sven.
Sven.
Ja, ich heiße Sven.
Sven.
Ja, Sven.
Sven.
Nein, Sven. Sven.
Sven.
Are we on?
What?
Yeah, so I'm here finally on set at Living Dayton. I have my friends here. This is the Julia over there. She'll be on TV with me. The lady, she's dressed like me. I don't understand. They're making fun of me, I think. But we are the first segment on today, and we're going to have a lot of fun. And the show is about to start. It's spooky. Yeah, everybody's dressed up like Mr. C and his friend Sven.
Things off here on Halloween. We've got a mad scientist in the studio today.
Yeah, Mr. C is on vacation. His his German cousin Sven is joining us today.
Yeah, Mr. C, he's my friend, and we come from Germany together. And he had to carve his pumpkin, so he said, "Go down to the air with these two people and do some science together." So he asked me to bring the periodic table, and there's lots of elements, but I brought the best element. You know which one?
Air.
No,
Oxygen.
the element of surprise.
Elements.
Yeah.
You have some big shoes to fill, Sven.
Yeah, actually I wear size 13. So what we have here is, I made this, actually Mr. C made this and I borrowed it. It's not done yet, so it could be
Does
scary.
he know you borrowed it?
He does not know, so don't watch this episode.
Oh, boy.
What we're going to do is, this is a hovercraft, and it has this envelope down here where the air goes inside, and it makes a lift. And what we're going to try to do is, I'm going to try to have one of you ride this, right? Because, like...
You're looking at me.
I'm looking at you because you're super duper cool. I mean,
Thanks, rock on.
Chip is very cool too, but you're
Really
pretty
cool.
dope. So what we do...
All right, I will
This
go
is a leaf
for
blower, right? Air. You know what's the best part about air, right?
What is?
What?
It rhymes with hair. Look at this. I'm feeling good today.
Hey, all of our hair is on point today.
Yeah,
they don't say that in the 80s.
Nine, we don't. Okay, look, so what we do here, we're going to try this first to make sure it's working. I'm going to turn this on, and it lifts up, right?
Yes.
So don't be scared. I'm going to fix this just a little bit, yeah. Now I'm going to take this chair because I brought a special purple one. I knew it'd match your outfit. And
You're correct.
I'm going to turn it on. Ask you to sit down once it gets going.
Okay.
Now there's a turbo button I might have you push, so push out more air.
Why can't you keep the controls going? You're depending on me for
Because
this?
Chip and I are going to push you.
Oh my God.
Come on, you good sport. Mr. C
You want me to get in it now?
You go ahead, stand on it now.
All right, we got It broke.
Oh no, not broken.
There we go. Get that turbo boost.
My IMC fell out.
Look at that.
Turn it up.
Oh, Julia, that was fantastic.
That was wonderful.
Were you scared?
No, it was fun.
That's science, spooky science today, right?
Very spooky. You know, Mr. C is going to have to one-up you next time.
Yeah.
He's got a lot. He's got to.
He wants
He's
to
gotta
blow
work on his
something up,
stuff.
but they keep telling him no. The
We can
producer
work on
says
that.
no.
Well,
We can convince her.
in the meantime, you can always check out Mr. C's website at Learning Science is
job.
Fun. Sven, it was very nice meeting you. Thank you for filling in. Give Mr. C a hard time for not showing
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Yeah.
He's fixing his hair.
No.
Au revoir.
Get tips from you.
Auf Wiedersehen.
See ya.
Yeah, that was so cool. I was on air with my new friends. Mr. C will never know that I actually borrowed his hovercraft. I'm gonna tell him that the segment didn't work. But yeah, if you're watching this, you know it's posted online. Yeah, that was so cool. Julia almost fell off. She was scared. I said, it's okay, don't be scared. Mr. C, he makes a good hovercraft. Semi-safe. But anyway, I'll post this video here soon. I have to go get some food, get these muscles fed. Yeah, because I'm starving. I'm always so hungry because my muscles need the food. Build your muscles like your brain, work out your muscles like your brain.